In an alternate timeline, the world belongs not to humans, but to the ants. Millions of years ago, a rare genetic mutation allowed a species of ants to develop intelligence rivaling that of humans. They built vast underground cities spanning continents, their hive minds forming a collective consciousness that shaped the world in ways never before imagined. Massive bioarchitectural colonies rose from the ground, made of reinforced resin, stronger than steel. The ants mastered genetic engineering, breeding colossal soldier castes, flying couriers, and even bioengineered plant symbiotes to produce food in barren lands. Communication was instantaneous through pheromone networks, allowing for a perfectly synchronized society where no thought was wasted and no action was out of place. By the time early primates began their ascent, the ants had already established intercontinental trade routes, complex war strategies, and a unique form of diplomacy with the larger creatures of their world. Mammalian predators, once their greatest threats, were subdued through controlled breeding and pheromone manipulation. Instead of being at the mercy of nature, the ant empire shaped the environment to its will, redirecting rivers, constructing organic bridges, and even terraforming entire regions with fungal biotechnologies. Their technology was unlike anything humans could ever conceive. Instead of silicon-based computers, they developed vast organic networks, where living nerve centers processed information at speeds faster than any human brain. Their bioweapons included acid spraying, artillery ants, fungal plagues engineered to wipe out rival colonies, and even airborne drone scouts that could transmit reconnaissance in real time. As the millennia passed, their cities became living entities, giant pulsating structures that thrived symbiotically with the world around them. The sky was dotted with spore-powered hover platforms, and the oceans teemed with engineered aquatic worker drones harvesting nutrients for the ever-expanding colonies. Humans in this timeline never evolved to dominant South, competed by the precision, unity, and rapid adaptability of the ant empire. Instead, primates remained scattered, living in the shadows, their intelligence seen as nothing more than an evolutionary dead end. Now, towering hive spires scrape the sky, and the earth hums with the synchronized rhythm of an empire unlike any seen before. Would such a world be utopia, perfectly harmonized society free of individual greed? Or a dystopia beyond imagination, where free will is non-existent and the only law is the will of the hive?